YouTube was good, it's your boy Thrax, now back in the building, and we are here with another banger. Before we even get started with the video, I want to thank y'all for supporting me on that road to 500, bro. Just 500 subscribers, bro. We on the road to 500, so I can get that community tab, start posting some pictures, start posting more videos and all of that stuff, man, and getting the voice out to everybody, actually communicating with y'all a little bit better. I'm very humbled to even be getting to that point. I want to get to that point so we can get that community tab, so I can actually start giving y'all a little bit more content, start posting some pictures, start doing things like that, actually showing y'all more of the content that I have coming. Today we're gonna be hopping into another one of my grails. I got it off a goat. Y'all go ahead and stick with me. What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'd like you to take a second to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, hit that notification bell, go ahead and throw your boy a like down there. It helps the algorithm out a lot when y'all give me a like or y'all subscribe, and just want to get this content out to everybody because I want to help y'all get sneakers just like I got sneakers, man. Today we're gonna be diving into another one of my grails. I am so excited. This is a shoe that I have really wanted. I think it's a dope shoe. It goes with a lot of my outfits. It goes with a lot of everybody's outfits because it's just a universal shoe that everybody can wear. And it is a shoe that I think I needed in my collection as well. So a little bit earlier this week, we actually checked out that I got the Off-White 5s, and I got my video. I'm gonna post that link right up here, and then y'all will be able to go and see that. But today we're gonna be hopping into the Travis Scott 6 British Khaki. Your boy finally got him a pair of them British khakis, man. So let's go ahead and hop into this. All right, let's go ahead and see that box. Look at that box. That box is so distinguished and recognizable. Got the Travis Scott, the chocolate brown on the bottom with the khaki on the top, and then you got the Cactus Jack branding all around that thing. So let's go ahead and break it to this box. Whew. Them boys clean. Yes sir, let's go. This is the Travis Scott 6 British Khaki. Y'all see it live and in color. This is a dope shoe, man. I think that if you can afford it, you should definitely go out and get these. Sneaker market is going crazy right now, so I really suggest that y'all get out there. Y'all find the sneakers that y'all want because it is a buyer's market right now. I cannot stress that enough, and it's probably going to continue to drop. Everything that is going on with the country right now, I can understand that people aren't buying sneakers as much, but if you got it, I would really get out there, try to get you some sneakers, man. We'll go ahead and hop into a little bit of a review of these. These been out for quite a while now, so I ain't gonna spend too much time reviewing it, but I just want to go over that long nap suede that they got on here, man. One of my favorite things about the shoe, if you've been on my Facebook or my Instagram, y'all know that I love suede 6s. I've been giving them their praise all season long, man. Pretty much all summer. And we actually got the Toro 6s that's back on the way, and I'm probably gonna end up copping those. But I love that long hair, long nap suede that they got on here. Another thing that I love about this shoe, it come with the 2 pockets on the sides of them, and then on the inside of the pockets that actually came with the extra infrared lace lock. That was a dope addition to the shoe that I thought, because you could switch out your lace lock. It comes with that glow in the dark, kind of pasty looking one in the shoe, but I think it's a good little pop to actually put that other infrared lace lock on there. It actually matches these laces that come with the shoe as well, and you also get that pair of chocolate brown laces, that signature Travis Scott brown, and those are very noticeable, obviously, because Travis Scott loves his brown on his shoes. So might be doing a lace swap. I'm not sure yet. Got to see what my outfit gonna look like, but I'm liking every detail that's on the shoe so far. One of the biggest things that I like about this shoe is got the full glow in the dark translucent bottom on the sole, and then you also got that translucent glow in the dark pull tab on the back. So I'm loving that. I'm also loving that this has the infrared Nike Air on the back. Y'all know that I love the classic Jordans, the OGs, and everything that come with Nike Air on the back, so I'm really loving that. And you got that matching infrared Jumpman on the tongue, just like all the other 6s. It does fold down. On the inside, you got that Cactus Jack, man. Small detail, but I like that they put that detail in there because y'all know I love the details in shoes, man. I love this rugged look on the side right here. Looks like you can maybe hang something off of there. This reminds me of my military book bags that I have. They all have these little hooks on there so that we can hang all our accessories off our bags and stuff like that. But definitely a dope touch. I like that right there. Gives it like a more rugged military look in my opinion. On the inside, you got that Cactus Jack branding all over the insole, and that is infrared as well as on the inside of the tongue. They got the Cactus Jack branding. So a lot of detail of Cactus Jack. You're gonna see that a lot throughout the shoe, throughout the packaging, throughout the box, even on the dust bag that I got. I mean, it's everywhere on this shoe. Down on the bottom, we got that Travis Scott right there, the signature little drawing that he got all over everything. And then you got more Cactus Jack branding right here, as well as that infrared Jumpman on the bottom. And then right on the inside of the midsole, you got another little Cactus Jack branding, man. I mean, it's all over the shoe. If you're a sneakerhead and you see me out in these, I mean, you're gonna be able to tell these are Cactus Jacks. If you're not a sneakerhead, you're just gonna think I got on maybe like the Wheat Sixes or something like that. But if you're a sneakerhead, you gonna know. The paper that came in this box, it ain't as exciting as the Off-White 5 paper, but you can still tell that they put a little bit of effort into it. You actually get 2 colors in here. So you get a white, and then you get kind of like that khaki color, kind of match the shoe. But the inside of the box is actually a good detail that I think that they did. It actually matches the infrared that's on the shoe. So that's actually pretty dope. And then just like all my other kicks that I get from GOAT, y'all know I gotta show y'all that they are GOAT verified. All the check marks are checked off where they supposed to be at. GOAT verified, they're real. All right, y'all, again, I cannot stress enough that the sneaker market is where you want it to be at right now. If you are a buyer, get out there, see if you can find some kicks. Do not sleep on trading. I've been able to trade up, trade down, give me some kicks off, clear out some inventory that I really don't need anymore, and then get what I really want. So they were cool about, you know, $350-ish. I also got those pre-owned, but those actually look a lot more closer to dead stock than my Off-White 5s. The Off-White 5s not really tripping on because it is an Off-White. It kind of contributes to the theme of the shoe if it's a little bit busted up, and they still look good on my feet. So I wasn't too mad that they had little scuffs on them. I just cleaned up what I thought I needed to clean up. But with the Travis Scotts, I mean, it looks like they haven't even touched the ground, honestly. They are VNDS. I don't know if they had sole protectors on them or what. I don't know if they just cleaned them on a regular. I don't even know if they wore them really, but they had them listed as used. So I don't know. Some of the OG sneakerheads, they would try them on and that would be them using the shoe. So that might have been the case here, not sure. But either way, I think I caught me a good little lick on these, so I can't complain. Before I forget, you do get that Cactus Jack branded dust bag, and it's got the Jumpman on one side and then the Cactus Jack on the other side. And it is in that British khaki color as well, and it matches the shoe. All in all, I am loving this shoe. It is something that I'm probably gonna pull out maybe for my birthday. I should be going to homecoming soon, so I might take it down to Georgia with me. Pop up at homecoming, step out in these, you know, I might take the Off-Whites with me. And then I got a couple other pairs, like my Chanel Varsity Red ones, I might take those with me. I'll probably be doing a lookbook just for that trip, so y'all can see the outfits that I take down there with me. It's gonna be kind of like a little mini vacation for me before I actually take a real vacation this year. I haven't vacationed all year because I've been working and actually jumping into my new job. With that being said, I am gonna be shooting y'all some videos and some pictures and all that over on Instagram, Facebook, all of that. And I'm gonna try to pick back up on this TikTok as well, just so I can start pumping out more content, as I said in the beginning of this video. If you enjoyed this video, again, get down in the comments. Tell me what you enjoyed about it. If you didn't like it, get in the comments, tell me what you didn't like about the video. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so y'all can see when Thrax pop up. I want to thank y'all for pulling up. I appreciate y'all support once again. This has been Thrax That Kicks, and I'm out.